Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm just trying to give you a comparison between S24 and S25. As for cameras, the S25 and S25 Plus will use the same hardware as last year. 50MP main and 10MP 3x daily and 12MP ultra wide. This means a lot is riding on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite ASP and the new AI features to make a difference in image quality. Finally, here are the dimensions and weight of the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus and S25 Ultra compared to their predecessors. So here are the comparisons between S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. The height, weight and width and thickness. These are the dimensions and weight comparisons between S25 and S24 Ultra, the whole version. As for the rumors and expectations, Galaxy Unpacked the event scheduled to start on this January 22nd at 1300 Eastern and 1000 Pacific. Pre-orders could be expected to open in an hour or two after this chat. The S25 Ultra will stick with 12GB of RAM and will come with a choice of 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage. The battery will be the same too, with 5000 mAh capacity and 45 volts charging. Galaxy S25 series will leverage AI to improve the image quality, with color and brightness improving by 43%. It will be interesting to hear how Samsung arrived at this number. If you like the video, please subscribe.